Hi, how are you? I'm in front of the fridge right now, so it is obviously cook what's left in the fridge day for me. So we have to check what's inside the ref now and see what we can make for dinner. I have leftover chicken from Kenny Rogers. Here it is. We just want to finish Kenny Rogers chicken, right? So I'm gonna make a beautiful meal out of this for tonight. I'm gonna cook it with some sun-dried tomatoes with Italian herbs. And since the kids had pasta yesterday, they had leftover pasta sauce. So this is pasta sauce. This is some tomato sauce with Italian herbs and cheese slices. So I'm gonna use this with the chicken for dinner tonight. I'll let you know how it's done. I'll take more photos or maybe videos, and I'll write the procedure on the description of the video, so please watch out for that. I'll see you later. So there you have it. That's dinner for tonight. Leftover chicken from Kenny Rogers with pasta sauce and sun-dried tomatoes. Thank you very much